Well, here's my storm update. 2013, Saturday, about 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Oh yeah, lots of stinking snow. Oh yeah. Not that bad over here because of the snow drifts and stuff. Not too much snow on the old farm truck. Just a little bit I brushed off. GMC ain't looking too bad. People walking around. Well, there's a driving ban. Yeah, since yesterday at 4 o'clock. And I guess it's over at 4 o'clock today. Yeah. They just said on the news you're allowed to drive after 4. But I ain't going anywhere right now. There's a big old pile out here. Yep. The snow came in. Not good. No choke. I'm not even trying to get in that right now. There's just no sense. Well, windshields are clear, and I've had enough. No snowblower, no plow, all by hand. That's right, all by hand, boys. Not supposed to be driving. Well, there you go. That's what I'm doing. I'm sure everyone else is too. A lot of snow. Maybe sometime today I can get out of this driveway, I'm not sure, and get down to the shop. I got that 85 step side inside, so we're going to fire that up. So, till next time, see you in the snow.